Trello is a popular project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help individuals and teams organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate efficiently. Its intuitive drag-and-drop interface and customizable features make it a favorite among freelancers, small businesses, and even large teams. With integrations like Slack, Google Drive, and calendar apps, Trello offers flexibility for various workflows. However, while Trello excels in simplicity, it may fall short for users needing advanced project management features. For example, it lacks built-in time tracking, Gantt charts, or detailed reporting tools, which are often essential for complex projects. Additionally, its free version has limitations, such as restricted attachments and limited automation options, pushing users toward paid plans. Some users also find the app overwhelming with too many add-ons required to achieve full functionality. In a nutshell, Trello is an excellent choice for straightforward task management and collaboration, but may not suit those needing robust, feature-heavy tools. Assess your needs before committing and explore alternatives like Asana or Monday.com if you require more complexity. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.